Hi everyone. Now we are going to study in detail about density. What do you mean by density? The formula for density is SI unit, it's CGS unit. So density can be defined as a ratio of mass to its volume. That means if I want to find the density of the steel scale, first I want to measure its mass using a beam balance. Okay, after that I want to measure its length, breadth and thickness to find its volume. After this we have to calculate mass upon volume, mass divided by volume. You will get the density of this steel scale. So we can say that density is mass by volume and its SI unit. SI unit of mass is kilogram and SI unit of volume is meter cube, because volume is length into breadth into height. That is 3 times length, breadth, height. All length, breadth, height are SI units are meter. So meter into meter into meter, we will get meter cube. So the SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. And its CGS unit, another unit. CGS means centimeter gram second. In CGS unit, density is gram per centimeter cube. Now we have the relation between SI unit and CGS unit. 1 gram per centimeter cube is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. You should by heart this relation, because for doing the numericals we require this relation between SI unit and CGS unit. So 1 gram per centimeter cube is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, so this much we studied related to density, its basic concept density. Now we are going to study the 4 subtopics under density. First one is density of a substance does not change by the change in its shape or size. I already told how to find the density of the steel scale. So if I change the shape or size, the density of the steel remains constant. That means it will not change when I just bend it or just fold it. The density of the steel remains constant. The same way you can see, I'll show you. Here you can see 2 potatoes in my hand. Here one is big in size, another is small in size. But still both the potatoes will have the same density. It depends on the material. So if you calculate its mass by volume, here mass by volume, we will get the same answer. If you divide, you can see when you divide, you will get the same answer 10 gram per centimeter cube. That means density does not depend on shape or size of the material. If the shape or size changes, no problem. The density of that particular material remains constant. The second topic is equal mass of different substances have different volume. Equal mass. Here you can see equal mass. 1 kilogram of sugar and 1 kilogram of red chili. So equal mass. I took equal mass of sugar and red chili. But you can see a good difference in volume between this sugar and red chili, because sugar is more denser. Red chili is less denser. So we can say that equal mass of different substance have different volume. Volume is different, only mass is same. Is it clear? Next one is equal volume of different substance. Now here we are taking different volume. Different volume, different substance. Now I am going to take equal volume of different substance. I am taking 2 tiffin box, lunch box, equal volume. You can see the thickness and the surface area, everything it is same. That means both tiffin box have the same volume. But you can see I fill each tiffin box with the different objects. Here it is metal, that is small pebbles. Okay. This is metal or small pebbles. So I fill one tiffin box with metal and second tiffin box I just fill with pulses, peas. Okay, second box. So both have the same volume. Okay, equal volume of different substance have different mass. We are going to find its mass. Find the mass of this. I'm just first taking the mass of the metal. I think it is clear to you. You can see the pointer moves from 0. It will be around 1 or 1.5 kg. Okay. So this is, first one is around 1 kg. This is metal. Second one, I will show you how to measure the pulses. The same way I am going to measure the pulse, and it is almost around 1 kg. It is almost around 1 kg. Okay, can you see this? Can you see the reading? It is just 1 kg. That means here I took same volume. I took same volume but different objects. It is too heavy. When I hold it, I feel it is heavy. That means equal volume, different mass. Equal volume, one is around 2 kg, one is around half kg. So equal volume, different mass. So that is the second point. Equal volume of different substance. Always we are taking different substance. Okay, equal volume of different substance have different mass. And the last topic is density varies with the temperature. With the increase in temperature, density of a substance, whether it is a solid or liquid or gas, the density will reduce. That is, it is inversely proportional. Density vary with temperature. Density increases or temperature increases, density decreases. For that I will show you another example. Here you can see the honey. You can see this honey. When we pour it, it is very thick, highly denser object. Okay, it is honey. Now I am going to increase its temperature. Okay, here you can see when we touch it, it is very sticky. Okay, you can see it is very sticky. That means high density. If I increase its temperature, I am going to heat it. After heating for a while, you can see the density is just falling like a normal water. That is, its density decreases. You can see the difference. First when I pour, it is our normal honey. When I pour, you can see it is very thick. You can see the consistency. Okay. Now at the same time, when I heat it, this is the heated honey. When I pour, you can see this pouring like a normal water. So with increase in temperature, density will decrease. Okay. When temperature increases, density decreases. Hope all of you understood the 4 points under the density. Thank you for viewing the video.